Good morning, I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you're watching the Quantamize Global AM Markets Preview, where it's all about uncomplicated investment, great data, and all the trades you'll ever need. And remember, everything's free. So let's get started.
Good morning. Today's May 8th, 2019. Stocks are looking like they're starting off where they ended yesterday, negative. Look, the VIX is popping to 20.74 this morning. For the past 2 weeks, I've been hammering home the point that implied volatility was too cheap and suggesting a shift to lower beta stocks with a focus on more defensive stocks with nice dividend yields. Remember that pitch we made about Duke Energy? It's definitely one to consider. Now today, I'm looking to be more aggressive. Being a contrarian investor typically pays off. Just follow my logic. Earnings guidance has been great so far. The US economy continues to perform well, especially after last week's gangbusters job print. So what does that mean? To me, it means I'm going to continue to look at China consumer and consumer tech names, and now US Consumer Discretionary names. Besides the China consumer and consumer tech names I highlighted yesterday, like Alibaba, ticker BABA, Baozun, ticker BZUN, Yum China, ticker YUMC, Auto Home, ticker ATHM, and the Invesco China Tech ETF, ticker CQQQ, I'm looking at the Amplify Online Retail ETF, ticker IBUY. It has the best score in our US Consumer Smart Beta rating, admittedly with a slightly higher net expense ratio, but it is exposed to the portion of the US Consumer Discretionary sector that I really like a lot. It's during periods like these where the market's selling off broadly that you should be opportunistic. Now let me tell you about some really important stock news you need to be following this morning. Electronic Arts reports fiscal 4Q results which beat market expectations. First quarter guidance is well ahead of consensus, which should put a real bid into the stock today. EA is up 6.6% in pre-market trading. Oracle alleges in a lawsuit that Amazon offered 2 Department of Defense employees jobs while they were working on a $10 billion cloud contract. Oracle claims these employees designed the project to be favorable to Amazon's chances of winning the contract, and later were offered a lucrative employment and bonus package. Oracle has since been eliminated from the competition, the winner of which is expected to be announced in July. Not sure where this is going to end. I'm not really sure if this is news for Amazon or Oracle, but it's definitely something worth following. Lyft reports a 95% growth in revenue when it reported its first quarterly results. Revenue of $776 million translates to a 95% rate of growth that was greater than many analysts expected. Lyft adjusted loss was roughly $211.5 million, much better than the $274 million that was expected. Lyft also announced its expanded partnership with Google unit Waymo to work more closely on self-driving cars. Lyft is down almost 3% in pre-market trading. We aren't covering the stock yet with our Quantamize models, but expect to pick it up next month. And finally, Walt Disney updated its film release schedule in the wake of its acquisition of 21st Century Fox Entertainment assets. The biggest change was Disney moving Avatar 2 to 2021 from 2020. It was to be its biggest film in 2020. Additional sequels will also be pushed back with Avatar 5 coming out in 2027. Disney informed the next Star Wars episodes after The Rise of Skywalker this December will hit theaters in December of 2022 and December of 2024. Disney reports earnings after the close today, and we will learn more about its media strategy during the management conference call.
I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment below, shoot us a tweet, or send us an email. Tell us what you think about the Global AM Markets Preview and what else you'd like us to include. I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you were just watching the Global AM Markets Preview here at Quantamize.